Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting CarPlay now? Plug your iPhone into the CRV's USB port labeled with a phone or CarPlay icon. Once connected, look at the infotainment screen and accept any pairing prompts. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on your phone. If the car asks to allow contacts and messages, grant permission so Siri and apps work. This first step establishes the link. Without it, CarPlay won't load. Keep the cable firmly seated and wait for the CarPlay home screen to appear. Once CarPlay appears, you'll configure apps and voice controls. Open your iPhone settings General CarPlay to personalize app order. Dragging apps will reflect on the CRV screen. Make sure Siri is enabled for hands-free commands and test by pressing the steering wheel voice button. If navigation or audio still uses the car's native system, select CarPlay as the audio output on your phone or via the infotainment audio source. These middle steps ensure seamless control while driving. To finish, confirm touch responses and that maps, phone, and music function through CarPlay. Test a voice command and make a brief call to verify audio routing. If something breaks, first disconnect and reconnect the cable, then restart your iPhone and the CRV system. This often clears glitches. If problems persist, swap in a known good Lightning cable or use the other USB port. As a last resort, reset network settings on your iPhone. Remember to back up before doing that.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.